Exploring the wonders. Rainforest Skywalk. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a virtual adventure to explore the Rainforest Skywalk. This unique experience allows you to walk among the treetops of a rainforest, offering a bird's eye view of its diverse ecosystem. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about the natural world, this video will help you understand what makes the Rainforest Skywalk so special. So, let's dive in. A rainforest skywalk is an elevated walkway constructed above the ground, often made of steel and wooden planks, allowing visitors to walk among the treetops of a rainforest. This innovative structure provides a unique perspective on the rainforest's biodiversity, including its flora and fauna, without disturbing the natural environment. It's an immersive way to experience the beauty and complexity of rainforests, learn about conservation efforts, and understand the importance of these ecosystems to our planet. Visiting a rainforest skywalk offers several incredible benefits. Educational value. Learn about the rainforest ecosystem, including the types of plants and animals that inhabit it. Conservation awareness. Gain insight into the importance of conserving rainforests and the challenges they face, such as deforestation and climate change. Unique experience. Experience the thrill of walking high above the forest floor, offering views and photo opportunities that ground-level walks can't provide. Accessibility. Many skywalks are designed to be accessible, allowing people of all ages and abilities to enjoy the rainforest without a strenuous hike. To fully enjoy your rainforest skywalk experience, consider the following tips. Wear comfortable clothing. Choose clothes suitable for the weather and comfortable walking shoes. Bring binoculars. Enhance your view of distant wildlife and plants. Stay on the path. Protect the environment by not straying from the designated walkways. Be patient. Wildlife sightings can be rare and require patience and silence to increase your chances of spotting animals. Respect nature. Remember that you're a guest in the rainforest. Avoid littering and disturbing the wildlife. We hope this video has sparked your interest in exploring a rainforest skywalk and has provided a clearer understanding of what it is and why it's a must-visit for nature lovers and those eager to learn about the environment. Remember, each step you take among the treetops is a step towards appreciating and conserving our planet's incredible biodiversity. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting and educational content. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.